If you have orange, you can make this delicious, perfect, crunchy donut recipe with no yeast. So let me show you how to make it. It is very easy. So I'm going to start off by using 2 orange. I've already cleaned them, so I'm going to cut it into 2 different parts. And I have here my clean bowl, so I'm going to squeeze just the juice out. And this will give us about a half cup. And I'm really happy this orange does not have seeds in them, so I don't have to do a whole lot of work. So just go ahead and squeeze that, and then you can leave it aside because we're gonna add it later. So next I have here a clean bowl. I'm gonna add about 2 large eggs, and then I'm gonna add here my sugar. So I'm using agave brute syrup. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, honey is just up to you. So after that, add your vanilla extract and then add your orange juice. Next, stir everything until it's nicely combined. Next, go ahead and add a 4th cup of olive oil. Make sure that you mix everything and it's nicely combined. And then we're going to use our flour. So I have here all-purpose flour, which is the same as soft flour, and I'm using about 2.5 cups. So next I'm going to add baking powder, salt, and turmeric powder. Guys, this recipe is so good that I want you to try at home. Mix everything until it's nicely combined or until it forms a dough. So this is how the texture or the consistency is gonna feel like. This is perfect. So I've already set my fire into a low medium heat to start with, and then I'm gonna scoop my batter in there. So gradually you can add this way. I'm using like 2 spoons to scoop it, or you can use your hands or ice cream scoop. It's also perfect. So you're gonna go ahead and repeat the process until everything is done, just like how OBAAPA is doing in this video. And of course we're going to keep stirring until we get that perfect crunchy consistency. This is exactly how it's going to look like. So I'm using coconut oil to deep frying. You can use any oil of your choice, but coconut oil is actually very, very healthy for you. It can take high heat, and also you can use avocado oil if you cannot get hold of coconut oil. And I'm sure that at this point it is almost done. I truly love how it's coming out, that goldish orange color like mixed together. I love this so much. So at this point it is done. So go ahead and then use a clean paper towel. Make sure that you drain all the excess oil, then let it cool before you serve. So yeah, this looks absolutely delicious and very, very easy to make at home. If you are making to sell or just to snack on, this is very easy, guys. I'm gonna recommend that you try this at home for your friends, your loved ones, and your family. So if you have a sweet tooth like me, you can actually dip them into white sugar or brown sugar. Also works absolutely fine. So I'm going to repeat until I'm all done, and then I'll show you how it looks like, guys. Also guys, I'm going to list all the ingredients under the caption, so after you watch the video, please feel free and check it out and see what we use for this recipe. Alright guys, so we are almost done. Look at how beautiful this turned out. This makes me so happy because it came out so perfect, just like how I wanted that. Alright family, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you truly enjoy, make sure that you share, you like, you comment. Until I see you again, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye.